Controlling one car is fun. Controlling two cars with one remote? Now there's some fun. Stay tuned for more. Damien is going to try it. Let's see if a young guy can figure this out. So this stick controls a right car, this stick controls a left car?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Okay, we're going to try driving two cars. This car is assigned to the right and this one is assigned to the left. So what I want to do is this car is going to go to the left of this cone and the other one's going to go to the right of this cone. So let's give that a try and see what I can kind of damage I'm going to do. So two cars. Whoa. No, you got to go that way. Come on, you got to go at the same time. No, got to go at the same time. Come on. Ah. That didn't turn out good. Maybe if I drive one car at a time. Wow. This is so hard. And now I'm reverse on that one.
Controlling two cars at once.
This is so hard. Wow. Now Yannick is going to try. It's the first time he's tried it, never tested it, never did anything. So let's see what kind of damage he can do.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Come on, both car has to go forward.
How do you choose whether
The right controller controls the right car and the left controller controls the left car.
And the joysticks act like tank joysticks now.
Yeah.
I get you. Oh, that's impossible to do at the same time. It's impossible.
Maybe not for a gamer.
Yeah, maybe the young guy can do it.
No,
Maybe your brain is too old to actually do this.
My brain is way too old.
Line them up.
Yeah, you can try it.
Just drive like this.
Sure.
Damien is going to try it. Let's see if a young guy can figure this out. So this stick controls a right car, this stick controls a left car?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh yeah, nope.
You did a real good job.
Come on, bring it back.
I'm glad I decided not to add a fourth color.
I can line them up.
Well, it's perfect just the way it is. And then the
There you go.
on the stickers are just like they
Nope. Can't do it.
Come on, young guy. Maybe a gamer can do it, you said.
Nope. Can't do it.
Can't do it?
No.
It's too tough?
Yeah.
You try, Damien.
Got to have more practice. Oh, stranger's going to try it now.
A
Uh-oh.
Skyrim player.
Are you ready? Oh, you already started.
This is hilarious. Oh my gosh. Okay, this one does that one.
Push the cone out of the way. You don't need it there.
No. Okay, that one does that one, and that one does that one, and I want to go this way. And I'm taking out all the cones. All the
Yeah,
cones.
you go around the cone.
No, I like to take them out. Get this one back in line. And then get this one turned around. And get that one against.
It's like watching it. It's like watching a kid try and
Go for it.
See, the
Try that again.
problem is the mini is more sensitive than the other one. So like you gotta push this one more forward than that one to get them to go the same speed. And then
That's true. Both of them have different ESCs, so they're gonna handle different. That's for sure.
Yeah, so it makes it tough.
One good thing is they're both front-wheel drive.
Another thing, I've never driven a front wheel.
Oops.
Oh, an accident.
My brain can't handle that.
No?
No.
So let's try it again. This time Damien is actually being my cameraman, and I'm going to try recording that. So you record the car and sometime me and so on. So it's up to you.
Just to get it.
So let's go. Let's see what I can do here.
Nice.
The pictures because look at all the hands.
I noticed
All the
that.
hands, all the weapons, like they come with so much and they're so
To have all of
foldable.
that with it, that's a bonus.
So $53.
Hey man, buy that any day of the week.
Coming back is
It's
friggin'
on
hard.
Facebook and it goes on Facebook Live and there's a lag. So you have to figure out the timing of the lag to the timing of his lag. Alright?
Well, that's the best I can do.
He has a,
Here we go. He's going to try one remote with two trucks, with two cars. So go over there. When you don't have cones, it's a little easier, but let me tell you, we had the cones here, and it was friggin' hard. Yeah. Especially coming back towards you. You can go in the rocks, it should come back.
It's way harder than it
You're stuck on a rock.
Now they're on the opposite side, so it's even harder. Oh, right.
You gotta run away. Where the heck did you go? Okay, wait, the other one's moving. No, stop that one. You're gonna end up on the street, you're gonna get it into an accident.
Oh, it's finished.
There you go, pass it off to see if he can do it.
Right steering, both of them. My hands are too cold, they're seizing up. And that's forward and reverse. For both? Yeah. So how good is it? I definitely want to try that on a warmer day though.
Oh yeah. Here's your hand. Trying to see your hands and the cars at the same time.
Holy cow. It's different.
Especially coming back towards you, it's a little tougher, right?
Yeah, seriously. Like I could do this with either or, but trying to do them both at the same time. Cause I think this one's for that car.
Yeah.
Back through it, yeah, no. That one's fun to play.
Now you can say that you drove two cars with one remote.
Yeah, that's awesome. I'm gonna try it again.
You gotta try it again. So how do you find the sensitivity of it? How is the remote reacting?
It's really sensitive to the cars, and hard to control.
Yeah, especially two cars at the same time.
Easy to control one at a time, but both at the same time.
Yeah.
Hard.
Cool. Well, thanks for trying it out.
Thank you.
He has a 2-minute
Not bad.
timer
It's fun.
on
It's
all
different.
his options.
Cool.
Outside at
Thanks for watching,
$1.
guys. Give a thumbs up if you liked it, and leave a comment below. Thanks.